Hello, here's a quick demo of a Sparkline dealership director's portal. As I log in to Sparkline DMS, the first page I see is a dealership dashboard. It shows me some quick stats like open deals, sales, conversion, etc., comparing to the previous period, as well as deals pipeline that shows drop-off percentage on each deal stage. It really helps to understand where we lose the most opportunities. Those stats can be filtered by day, week, month, or any custom period. Here below I can find the goals and see their progress, rating of my managers, best-selling cars, and budget categories. Using these tabs, I can quickly go through the currently open deals in our dealership, find deals with overdue tasks, and ask my manager to complete them ASAP. Here's another stats page which can tell a lot about a manager's performance. Let's skip the sales managers and deals pages for now, and moving on to lead management. Here I can see all the new internet leads that came from different websites, as well as statistics on which website makes us the most profit, lead cost, internet sale cost, etc. On the tasks page, I can see this manager called Mike has failed to complete a bunch of his tasks. Gotta go talk to him. Here's a more detailed goals page with progress we've done on each one. The calendar shows our internal events such as morning team meetings, and also I can see who has scheduled a call, a test drive, client meeting, etc. Cars. Here I can see all the cars we sell, their class and starting price. I can also check how many cars we have in stock in our dealership and cars in our company or partner dealerships, so we can make an order. Reports. This is a key feature for Dealership Director, because here I have all the possible data. Graph shows me the number of deals each month versus new customers. It turns out we have about 10% of returning customers. Revenue, sales, conversion. Lead source shows that we receive most leads from a website. And just like on the dashboard, I can see who is the best sales manager and which car is selling best. The Sales tab has more detailed graph on sales and conversion. Sales managers. Again, a lot of statistics for each manager. I can see their success rate, days they need to close a deal, number of sales, revenue, customers' age group, cars' budget categories. For example, you can see that Steve Seller has sold 8 cars to 45-plus-year-old customers. That information is pretty helpful. He knows how to talk to older people. Automation allows me to create different rules for the system. For example, after a customer buys a car, in 60 minutes we will automatically send him a congratulations email. The system will also automatically follow up this customer in 2 weeks to check if everything is okay with the car, and then in 1 year to invite him to the dealership again and propose a new car. I can also create a special promotion like birthday discounts or winter tire change discount. Going back to the Sales Managers page, Stats again, top 3 managers of the month. Let's check this Mike Sellers profile. Here I can find his personal stats, tasks, and goals. Also, I can check his activity lately, filter it by activity type, for example, meetings with clients. His open deals, more stats, and Assistant. It automatically calculates all the data and gives me suggestions. Manager has troubles selling expensive cars. Assign this manager to low-budget deals to get the best results. Thanks. The About Manager tab tells me where he was working before. I can deactivate his profile and it will allow to reassign his open deals to other sales managers. Also, I can compare this manager to others. Let's check out who's the best. From any stats or list page as a dealership manager, I can export information to PDF or Excel file with a few clicks. Now, let's see where all this data comes from. Sparkline has an easy deal creation and managing flow. Here, I see the list of all deals in my dealership. I click Add a Deal. Let's imagine a story that there is a customer named Victor Customer who came to my dealership. and he wants to test drive a Citroën C4 and buy it with a bank loan and give us his old car, a Renault Megane, for trade-in. I can start typing a name or phone number or email to find if there are any matches with our database and if we have this customer here. Victor customer is here. Selecting make, model, price, and deal name fills automatically from our database. I can select a deal stage as well as a start date. Create a deal. Here is an empty deal page. Deal name, deal owner, deal amount, pipeline, quick tabs, and information. I can find this person on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn with only a click. It usually helps to know my client even more. Before having a test drive, I need to scan my customer's driver's license and add it to the system. Here it is. After we had a test drive, I need to add this activity. Add, activity type, test drive, Citroën C4, add. Adding car details, trim, ending, transmission, color. The next step is to add trade-in car information. Filling some fields and uploading photos that, by the way, can be taken and uploaded via the phone or tablet application. You see, I added only one activity after a test drive, and the rest has been automatic as I make actions in the system. Let's add a loan plan. Select the best bank loan plan, check the price, initial payment, period. We can see the interest rate and monthly payment right away. Now I need to send a loan request to a bank so they approve or reject it. It shows me I don't have enough files for a request. Now, customer needs to know how much money to bring to get his new car, creating a quote. A loan quote shows his first payment will be $7,708, but we need to make sure trade-in cost is included. Trade-in plus loan. Here, he has only $708 to pay. 2 quotes can be printed so a customer can review them at home. Going back to deal, I can create a task to follow up on the test drive and call this customer tomorrow at 9:30. Also, I noticed that Victor loves coffee, so I'm going to add that as a note. Once this customer gives us a prepay, we change the deal stage. And when the car is sold, I change a deal stage to sold. But first, I need to confirm it is really sold and not an accidental click. To do this, I need to upload a sales contract. Deal is closed. Now I can see a deal recap with some insights. How many days it took to close a deal, how many actions were taken, such as calls, meetings, test drives, etc.